And then for exercise 4, we'll drop down 4 cones as it is. We'll stand behind the first one, and then using the drags and outside foot push that we've been using all the way through, inside outside, we'll navigate behind the cone. It's important to take on each cone individually and then push the ball in the direction of the opposite cone. We'll start with the drag and push with the outside foot, navigate all the way through, turn around, and then take on each of the 4 cones individually again, finishing the first cone in the direction of the second cone. This is particularly challenging, so it might help to start off slowly and walk the ball all the way through, not worrying so much about the transition between cones, but rather on each cone specifically. And then once you're comfortable with those movements, then you can add the transitions between the 2 cones. We'll now go into the rollovers, pushing the ball along each cone, pulling it back with the opposite foot, and then rolling with the same foot that pushed the ball past the cone initially. Start slowly, be very patient with yourself, walk yourself through the drill as many times as you need to, and then increase the speed. Focus on using only the touches that have been designated. Push, pull, roll over, push, pull, roll over per cone, and challenge yourself to get around the cones on both the left and the right side. Speed up, challenge yourself if you're comfortable with it so far, and make sure you beat each cone specifically. And then for the final exercise, we will use the Cruyff turns to go from cone to cone, pulling the ball in the direction in which you need to travel. It might help you here to use the outside of your standing foot to guide the ball in the right direction. It may even help to think of each Cruyff turn as a backheel pass in the cone's direction to ensure that you are giving yourself the best chance of succeeding.